Hi, I'm Gia. Today I'm going to cook a roasted chicken that is stuffed with rice, jujubes, and some aromatic ingredients. The recipe is so simple and delicious. Let's get started. Let's begin by preparing the rice. Rinse 1 cup of short grain rice and drain. Then add 1 cup, an equal amount of water to the rice and let it soak for 30 minutes. Use a large enough bowl to cook the rice as it may overflow during the cooking process in the microwave. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Poke several holes in the plastic wrap with a knife or fork. Then place the bowl in the microwave oven. I'm using a 700-watt microwave. I'll cook it for 4 minutes initially. After that, stir the rice and place it in the microwave for another 4 minutes of cooking time. Once cooked, mix it thoroughly, then season the rice with soy sauce. Alternatively, let me introduce the easiest way to make this dish. Use ready-made or instant rice. Simply cook it in the microwave according to the package instructions. In a small bowl, combine olive oil, salt, ground black pepper, and mix well. For the chicken, which weighs 600 grams or 1.3 pounds, rinse it under water and pat dry. Wipe the inside of the chicken cavity with a paper towel. Then stuff it with seasoned rice, jujube, garlic, and green onion. Add a generous spoonful of rice into the cavity, then insert the garlic and jujube. Close the chicken cavity securely with a skewer to ensure that the stuffed ingredients remain inside during cooking. I want to show you a traditional way to do it. Make a hole under the bone of the chicken leg using a paring knife. Make the hole about 1 inch size, large enough for the leg of the chicken go through, but not too big. Once the hole is made, crisscross the other leg of the chicken over it. Of course, you may also tie the chicken legs together with a string. Gently rub the prepared oil onto the chicken. Good. Let me wash my hands. Now it's time to place the chicken into the oven preheated to 190 degrees Celsius or 374 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast the chicken for an hour. In the meantime, I've prepared some vegetables from the refrigerator. Season them with salt and ground black pepper. Then add a generous splash of olive oil and toss to coat evenly. The cooking time of the chicken in the oven may vary depending on the size of the chicken and the condition of the oven, so keep an eye on it. After an hour, the chicken should be crispy on the outside, but not fully cooked yet. Add the seasoned vegetables to the oven dish with the chicken and continue to cooking for an additional 15 minutes. Oh my, it smells absolutely delicious. My chicken is perfectly roasted. This roasted chicken is excellent for dinner with your family, but it's also fancy enough for entertaining. Once you make it, you'll never want to pick up another store-made rotisserie chicken.